welcome to Tonic Studios. It's me and Mrs. here.
Hello.
Right. We're going to introduce you to one of our brand new die sets. Well, two die sets, really.
Two sets, yeah.
So, first of all, we have got the Happy Hamper. It's not anything. It's not sad.
It's not sad. It's not sad.
It's a happy hamper. Yeah. So you'll be able to see there all those amazing dies that you've got on there. I have to say the sentiment in the centre of this is truly beautiful. This really large die in the centre there. Really, really nice.
Fabulous.
It is. But then you've got this funny looking thing. Yeah. You know,
it's looking a bit dangerous.
It is. You know, I actually, when I was prepping these, I actually used it as a hairpin. Yeah, and I actually had it in my hair to hold my bun up. But I'll show you what that is in a minute.
All will be revealed.
Yeah. So that there is your Happy Hamper. But then you've also got the Narcissus vase. Okay, really, really beautiful vase collection in there. It is gorgeous. You're getting so many dies in that collection. Love the peacock feather.
And the beautiful daffodil.
Absolutely.
Where it gets its name from.
Yeah. Yeah, but when I do this on the TV, it will be the vase. I'm just saying. Okay. So what do they make up like? So let's start with the Happy Hamper.
Oh, look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Right, so that's one. I'm going to bring that one down, even though we've just got the papers on it, because I want to show you something a little bit special there.
So that I said I'd used as a hair pick, look what they actually make. They actually make you your beautiful little beads that go on the ends of your ribbons. Okay, really, really pretty.
Isn't that fab?
They're gorgeous, really. I mean, these would look nice on like the lanterns, you know, very Japanese sort of thing.
Anything. I mean, they're that little added extra onto any of your projects, aren't they, to finish anything off?
They're beautiful.
Aren't they fabulous? And
really
there's that beautiful sentiment there. A little something just to say. How beautiful is that?
But then you've got the vase.
The vase.
Just saying, the vase.
The Narcissus.
Yeah. So in there, look at the detail in there. It is beautiful. I really love that. Is. It's gorgeous. It's a really different one, isn't it? Really different with that beautiful little top in there. Whether you are paper piecing them to an inch of their life, whether you are matting and layering them, or whether you are just using your patterned papers, you can get... There we go. We can get some absolutely beautiful looks with those ones there.
There's a lovely one in the front there with the daffodil. Look at that.
I can say daffodil.
You can. There we are. We love a daffodil vase then.
Yeah. Why did we not call it a daffodil vase? Yeah.
Because I think Mark hates you.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. He does it on purpose. I'm convinced these days they do it on purpose to trip me up on air. So lovely, lovely design. So let's put them to one side, and we're going to show you how to make the actual happy basket. Yeah. So your happy basket is based on two of those die cuts. Okay. Now I like to give my card a little bit of a tweak,
a little bit of a curve,
a little bit of TLC, just on those side panels there, just so that my panels stick on nicely and it folds in nice. So all I'm doing is pulling my finger up diagonally to the side, so you can see that I've got that slight little...
Just gives it a little curve, doesn't it? Because
makes life easy.
It does. When you glue them together, you've already got that movement in the card, because if you try and stick those on flat and then curve them, you're going to find you'll probably get a little crease here and there.
So I'm placing my adhesive on that bottom square, and then we're going to go one straight over the top of the other. And that is going to be the base of your actual basket.
Oh, that's nice.
Pretty, you know.
Yeah.
Now, I do one step that it doesn't say on the instructions.
Here we go.
Just to make life awkward.
Jodified them again.
I have, and I'll show you that in a minute. But let's stick our panels on. And because you've got that contour, you can see how easy that those panels want to stick on there.
It's so much better because... Like we say, when you try and curve 3 layers of card, it's so much more difficult.
It is. So the weight of card we're actually using a 216 for the whole thing. The basket is actually a 2616. The panels are a 216 as well. So placing one over the top of the other, and that's the sides already decorated and ready to go. Now this is where I change things a little bit, and this is only so that it makes life easy. Okay, so I bring that to the inside, but this bit here I actually bring in and I stick together.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I actually haven't put this one together, so I think Al must have tested this.
So I literally bring one in over its friend, and I'm just going to hold that there
and
for
line
for
those slits up.
It honestly makes life easy. Oh, put that on the outside, Johnson. So by doing that, it actually, you know, when you take out the actual handle.
Oh, so that's not the whole basket
collapse.
isn't going to open.
Absolutely.
Yeah, good point.
So just placing
That's
those.
a good idea.
Just into each other and gluing those
I can
down.
see what you mean there.
My bits don't fall out then.
You don't want your bits to fall out, chicken.
Don't want my bits to fall out. Yeah.
Definitely
It's all
not.
like you laughing at home, but we have many issues here at Tonic with this bits falling out.
That's where Simon rolled in the corridor.
So we've now got the actual sides started
Of our basket.
to build. Now this is actually the handle.
Right.
Okay. Now, many different ways of putting this handle together. All right. Let's put our decorative panels on first of all. So once again, give them
a little bow.
a little bit of TLC.
It just helps, doesn't it?
It does. It does. So let's place this one on here. So that's going to go onto that side.
And again, not having a lot of adhesive helps as well. Just around the border, just
Absolutely.
around the edge, like you've done there.
Yeah.
Because that all adds to the thickness as well, doesn't it?
It does. It does. So placing that one onto there. So I want you to think about doing this without thinking about it. I know that doesn't make any sense.
Well, I'm watching because I seriously have not made one of these.
So I don't want you to put this on the correct dice cut way. I want you to turn it over.
All right, I've got you.
And put it on. So
back to back.
This is the raw side, where this is the proper side.
Yeah, so you're putting them raw side to raw side then.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's purely so that when this wraps around,
the right side is showing.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah. My dad has it as a saying, but I can't say it. Right.
She's going to tell me later, though.
I will. I will.
If you think you know where it is, drop it in the comments.
Please don't.
Yeah. If you're from Yorkshire, you'll have heard the saying. Right. So what we're going to do is we are going to come through that top hole. We're going to bring it up on that inside edge.
Right.
And then you decide which handle you're going to put on.
Oh, right, okay.
Okay, because this is where you're going to put your handles.
Okay.
So, there's different handles. Can you see that this one has actually got a ribbon handle?
Mm-hmm.
And this one has actually got a paper handle.
Yeah.
Okay. So
this one's got a magneted handle.
It has. So there's possibilities of putting different style handles on. Okay. So if you are going to put a ribbon handle on, which we're going to do, you're going to use that one, because obviously your ribbon can come through the middle. So
excuse me,
looking at our lid, we take our lid, let's put our decorative panel on the top. So I'm just going to place that into there. Before you go any further, can you see that you've got the slot here and then you've got these tabs? Your tabs need to go on your box.
Oh, I can see.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Fold those down.
I'm going to fold those. I'm going to give those a little tweak as well at either side, because they're going to sit down. Let me do it that way. They come down to that section there.
Ah, nice. Okay.
So
Okay, I've got you.
I'm going to put first of all.
We just lost something.
I've lost my bit. Don't worry. I've lost my bits.
You lost your see?
I shall have it tightened up like that. So
We'll glue you together then.
we're going to place this now over the top of that one. Wrong way round. Hold on. Let me put my
Handle first.
handle bit first.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
the lid.
So I've got my handle
Yeah.
in there. No, it's not.
Oh,
It's that one. That one's going to go in first.
right.
And then my handle, because obviously the handle wants to go
Oh, the
over
handle
top.
needs to go. Yeah, it does.
So that's going to go over the top of there. And then it's a case of just wrapping this back in itself.
Oh,
So it comes back into there. And then it literally comes back out of... Oh, I don't know what you've been. Back out of the top of your handle.
oh, I can see.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
See it poking
Yeah.
through there. And then wraps back into itself.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you've got the right edge showing now.
Yes.
Okay. So the other one is a little bit different, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So with this one, we're going to do the same. We're going to go through that first hole and bring it up. We're going to put our lid through there. We're going to bring
The
handle up there, and then we are literally just slotting that whole thing into the bottom.
Right, okay.
Okay, so hold on.
In you go, matey.
Just pull it so it actually there's a double bevel on it, so the whole thing
Will clip into
will
itself.
clip into the bottom. So you've got your sides.
Yeah.
Then your ribbon. Let's get some sticky stuff. I nearly called it something else.
I know you were going to call
You
that.
know what I was going to call it then. Can
do.
you find me a pair of scissors, perhaps?
Yes, I can. We have the power.
We have the power to find scissors. Thank you, hon. So let's take that little bit of
Oh, I hate putting tape on those.
Oh, I know. It's normally one of those where you stick your tongue out, isn't it?
Yeah,
If you're doing
definitely.
it.
Concentrate on that one.
Yeah. So let's bring that through that little loop.
Lovely bit of double-sided satin there.
Absolutely. And place that on. I think I bought this Alison years ago on a huge big reel. I seem to recognise it. So let's bring that one back in. So measure it up. See how long you want your strap.
I know, we've got this one quite long here on this one.
So let's do that one as well. Let's get a little bit of tapey poos on the top of that one. And let's do that one. This reminds me of the old-fashioned fishing boxes.
Yes.
They had a funny name. That was
Fishing creel?
That's the one.
Is it a fishing creel?
Yeah, it is.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Fishing basket.
Yeah. Just bringing that up so that it goes over its friend.
There he is.
You've got
Lovely.
the matten layers as well to go on the top. So let's just have a little fiddle on the top. Now, this isn't it. Although it looks like a circle, it's not.
It's not. No, and you have got little marks to show you where you need to place.
And it's not an oval.
No.
It's that in between of
Off centre.
you know, like the square and the circle being a squiggle.
A squircle.
Yeah.
We love a squircle.
Yeah. So place that one into the centre of there as well. And then these little tabs here just literally slide into here. Now I have found You know I like to upset Mark. I've found if you put an extra little score line...
Right. Give yourself an extra fold.
Just in there. It's actually,
it goes in easier.
It's actually a lot easier.
Right.
To push that little tab in.
Right,
Because you've got a leading edge to push it in.
Yeah, it naturally wants to go in there.
And now my bits are falling off again.
I think we've got another layer here.
Yeah. There's loads of different layers.
Oh, that's what it is. That's what you must have lost. Look, we've got a little handle.
Oh, I think
that's what we lost. Can you see it? Can you see it anywhere?
No.
No, he's gone, guys, I'm afraid.
Yeah,
you can have one. You can have one.
It's not in my lap where it normally is. And it's definitely not shot down there.
But what you've got is this little die cut here. You can see you've got the crease in the centre. Well, you glue two together and it gives you your little handle.
It does.
But we've only got one because we've lost the other one.
One has gone for a walk, yeah. But you can see there that you've got that beautiful little basket. It is gorgeous, it really is. But as I say, I found by just gluing those 2 points together underneath there, it stops the things from clumpsing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't want that happening.
We don't want that. So that there is your hamper, but the same principle of putting together, you've got your vase. Yeah. Now your vase is exactly the same. You just literally pull the whole thing up, glue the two together at the bottom section, glue it all up, wrap it round the same as this as well, and you get that lovely basket.
Fabulous. Absolutely.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Very, very pretty. A really nice collection.
I love it. But it's easy to put together, and you're going to get so many chocolates in.
The vase looks like it's perfect for miniature.
Oh, here we go with the miniature bottles.
You said it. You said it. I think a nice Baileys would go in there.
Good for wedding favours.
Yeah,
they would be good.
Absolutely. Has anybody tried that almond Baileys yet?
Oh, did you like that one? No. Did you like that? No.
Baileys should be Baileys.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was a recommendation then.
No, but absolutely beautiful little boxes. I mean, I can see those. Literally, if you cut the detail into the sides there, I can actually see these little tea lights in as well.
Definitely.
They look beautiful as little tea lights.
Wouldn't that be lovely?
Yeah, beautiful for Easter egg hunts as well.
Yeah, and we've got some nice vellum panels in this one too.
Really, really pretty. So, please join us on all our social platforms to join the madhouse with me and Mrs. Yeah, and we shall see you later. Bye.